Hi guys, Cody here. I wanted to get on and talk about air control. I use it pretty much in almost all my videos because I enjoy to jump. So, just a quick explanation. If your nose up, you have to tap the brakes to bring the nose back down. And then if you are nose down, you gotta throttle it to bring the nose back up. Advanced stuff, if you tip one way, always steer down towards that while still throttling, and it will bring that side of the car back up. The size of the tire will help you, so the bigger the tire, the more you will be able to adjust it. Little buggy tires, they do not adjust as easy, so if you go away nose up and you slam on the brakes and it only brings you down some, you'll probably have to restart your throttle a little bit to get your momentum back in your tires enough to brake it again, if you have enough time, or you'll just land like so. But without further ado, we'll go out and drive the car and talk about just what I'm doing while I'm jumping. Thanks for watching. Okay, a little example of air control. We're gonna come off this ramp. It is pointed pretty much to the sky, so we're gonna be pretty nose high, and we're gonna hit the brakes to correct it, and then if we correct it too far, we'll have to hit the gas a little bit again. So here we go. Brakes. Okay, lightly hit the brakes that time. Didn't have to re-hit the gas. We'll try it again here. Okay, so to show some air control, we'll do a backflip. So we're gonna leave the ramp, hold on to the gas a little bit, flip it over. Maybe let off in between. If we start to over rotate, then we'll have to hit the brakes. So started to over rotate a little bit, hit the brakes, corrected it, flattened it back out for landing. Got a little bit more used to it that time. Didn't hit the gas as hard coming off the ramp. So I was able to brake a little bit softer and a little bit earlier. We'll get up by the ramp and do it. Way over rotated, but brought it back down with the brakes pretty quickly once I noticed how fast I was rotating. So we'll go for just a straight air this time. I'll come off the jump pretty hard, so the nose is going to be high, and then I'm going to brake it to adjust it and get it nose down or ready for landing.
So I would just practice with it. You can do little jumps at first. Anything to help yourself. Just get familiar with how the brakes feel and what it takes to bring the nose down or what it takes to bring that nose up. Here's just a simple, slower jump. And don't be too aggressive with your change. So if you do need the gas or you do need the brake, don't be too aggressive. This would be an example of being too aggressive. So we'll brake it and it will be way nose down. But I knew that I was gonna hit the brakes hard, so I knew I had to get back on the gas soon. So here's the opposite. Stay on the gas. Hit the brakes to get back. And if you stay on the brakes or the gas way too long, you can backflip like this. But like I said, start small. Work your way bigger. A little bit does go a long way.